Oelala BZ. Future talents out of the Minka Dam line. Sire Onassis TN is standing out in the stallion and young horse competitions under the saddle of Karsponov. This foal is also on the dam side related to a number of international show jumpers. Grand Dam Chic Z is a sibling to the successful 160 level show jumper V Minka B, ridden by Wesley Newlands, as well as 3 140 and 145 level performers. This direct branch of the valuable Minka Dam line has also produced Alexander Butler's Grand Prix stallion Chilli B, who also appears in the second generation of Oelala BZ's pedigree.